I'm Scott Friedman, Project Manager. I'm a part of Team 5, and for the last 5 months, our team has been working on this responsive transportation dashboards that are going to be used by these administrators in high-level positions. But before we start explaining what the project is, we're going to start off with the project definition. Our project definition has started from the idea that the City of San Jose Department of Transportation has long used sort of paper maps. They've always printed out their maps and used pins and notes in order to describe and understand the sort of surrounding information. We are trying to help facilitate an evolution from a paper-based data source to a more responsive, digital, all-encompassing sort of a website that can be easily accessed by any sort of key individual. Our approach to solve this paper problem was to create a website, a site that these administrators could easily access from any phone, tablet, or computer of their choosing, to be able to get and receive relevant information. We did this by using a responsive template we use Bootstrap to build a very functional and yet good-looking website that's easy to use and easy to understand.
Hello, my name is Sunny Zador, and I'm the head writer for Sound Transportation Dashboard. My job is to get all the necessary documents and put them together and give it to all of our stakeholders to provide information and details regarding our project.
Hi, my name is Randy Mai, and I am the IT and Public Relations of Team 5. And I'm in charge of managing and making sure that we have the necessary equipment to tackle this project. I am also in charge of installation of software and determining which software we need to tackle this project with.
Hi, I'm Derek Herman, and I'm responsible for research and development. For research and development, I use use case diagrams and process models to find out the requirements that we needed for our project. That included things like who are the users that are going to be using our service or product, who are the stakeholders in this project, what system requirements we need as far as software and other implementation needs that Scott, our project manager, will use to make the website.
The scope of our project is having a user-friendly dashboard that includes maps and data. Our budget, since we are students, is hours, and the way we have our budget set up was a 250 collective hours of all of us working together. Within the hours, we had a schedule, and the schedule was a 3-month deadline that we compromised in working effectively as a team. We have been on schedule throughout the 3 months. We have completed all of our tasks that our stakeholders have given us within the given time period.
I'll be going over the next steps of the project. This is after the project's been delivered, so the life of the project after it's been delivered. So basically, we made the project to be user-friendly, and it's also editing-friendly. With Tableau and everything, they constantly change and develop the maps to a different aspect. And what we made our site do is we made it really organized to the point where you could copy and paste a new embed code to have a newer set of data. Upon delivering, we put the site onto a NeoCG server, and it provided us a link, a URL, so our project sponsor could view and see the page source code. They're gonna take the project and they're gonna upload it to their own servers.
Now we're going to go take a look at the website to help explain our project resolution. Welcome to our project website. This is the site that has been created after our group's hard work at collecting the information and requirements required by the project stakeholders. I have separated the website into 2 distinct sections. One is data, which involves crashes, illegal dumping, sewer overflows, and copper wire, and then maps, which involves residential parking zones, pavement condition, and other links to maps that aren't hosted on the site but rather hosted on internal servers or the sort of public works gallery. It's easy to get to any of the information either through the nav bar up here or by clicking the buttons that take you right to the maps or the data. So even when you scale it down, when you this is a responsive sort of site. So even when it is, say, collapsed, it will respond to how the site looks. So even when I drag it out and do that sort of things to it, it changes along with it. This is the admin dashboards that we've been talking about. This is the sort of project solution that we came up with to shift away from that paper-based sort of data and maps. We've created a front page to easily access the information in hand by clicking on the buttons over here. It takes you to a Tableau dashboard that shows information that's been uploaded by the sponsor. Over here are GIS maps, which have been also been generously provided by the project sponsor. This is all relevant information for any executive at the Department of Transportation that they easily can get to by entering in the URL at FJ Transport. We've also are hosting links to internal maps and a public works gallery, so it's easily accessible all from the same sort of link. This provides easy access from this sort of URL simply by looking through the sort of site and looking at all the different information, and admin can easily get to relevant information without having to print out a whole map or a whole table. This has been our project video. This is Team 5. I hope you've learned a lot from what we've just gone over today. And thank you and have a great day.